Hi everybody. We'll start with a new topic, Poisson equation. So an equation of the form dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to f of x comma y is called as a Poisson equation. There before in most of the sum we know that dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. Fine, before you have known it's elliptic sum, right? So what does it mean over there? There you have a standard 5-point formula. The same thing over here, instead of 0, we have a function f of x comma y. So that is called as a Poisson equation. That term, when dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0, meaning it's a Laplace equation. So over here it's a Poisson equation. To solve a Poisson equation, we have a standard 5-point formula. As I think you would have known it before, the standard 5-point formula. To find the middle point, how will you do it? The north, west, east and south divided by 4. You used to write like that, right? So that is O is equal to 1 by 4 a plus b plus c plus d divided by 4. Same way over here use the same formula, but here you have instead of f of x comma y, here you have a function. So what is a formula? Like you have a plus b plus c plus d minus 4 O, the middle one, is equal to f of ih comma jk. That's a formula you have to remember. Clear? That is, we write a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 4, right? 4 into the middle point O. Here, instead of that, I write minus 4o is equal to f of ih comma jk. So we'll go with the problem. First problem. Solve the following Poisson equation over the square region bounded by the lines x is equal to 0, y equal to 0, x is equal to 3, y equal to 3. Given that u equal to 0 throughout, taking h is equal to 1, and they are given you del square. What is del square? It's nothing but dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to minus x plus y the whole square. So they are given you the function, that is f of x comma y. So we start with x is equal to 0. What is given there? U equal to 0. Then y equal to 0, u equal to 0. Then x is equal to 3, u equal to 0. And then y equal to 3, u equal to 0. So that's how we write it over here. When x is equal to 0, all the temperature, that is u is equal to 0. Then so this is x-axis, that is y equal to 0. So when y equal to 0, all the y terms become 0. And then this term is nothing but x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, all the u terms, all the temperature, the sides will become 0. And over here y equal to 3, all u equal to 0. So now the main aim is to find the interior points. What are the interior points over here? It's u1, u2, u3 and u4. Clear? So all these interior points we have to find it. So how to find it? By 5-point formula. So whatever we have known before the formula, we are going to use it here. Instead of f of x comma y, what do I have from the equation? It is minus of x plus y the whole square. Minus x plus y the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So we have to form 4 equation in which we have to find u1, u2, u3 and u4. So since there are 4 unknowns, we have to have 4 equations and solve it as u1, u2, u3, u4 by putting x is equal to ih and y is equal to jk. X is equal to ih and y equal to jk. So here now I have to put y equal to 1, j equal to 1. So what will happen to that? X is equal to 1, y equal to 1, that is h is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1. Clear? ih comma jk. So when we substitute I and j over here, what will happen over here? It is I is equal to 1. So okay, 1 minus 1 will become 0, comma j equal to 1. So 0 comma 1 plus u, what is I is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 comma 1 plus u, 1 comma 1 plus 1 is 2 minus u 1 comma 1 minus 1, so it becomes 0. So 1 comma 0 minus 4 u I is equal to 1, j equal to 1. So 4 u 1 comma 1 is equal to minus, for x is equal to 1, y equal to 1. So 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 into 1. That is 1 plus 1 plus 2. So now we know that u of 0 comma 1 is equal to 0. Okay, and then uh, u of 2 comma 1 is there, and u of 1 comma 2 is there, u of 1 comma 0. What is u of 1 comma 0? From here it is again 0 minus 4 u of 1 comma 1 is equal to minus 4. So here I get it as, over here it is u1, this is u1, right? My u1 plus u4 minus 4 u3, right? Understood this part, right? So here 1 comma 1, this is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. Okay, so that's why I'm just substituting all the values here over here. That is u 0 comma 1 is 0, 0 comma 1 is 0, then u of 1 comma 1 is nothing but u3, and u of 2 comma 1 is equal to u1, right? This one 2 comma 1 is equal to u1, and u of 1 comma 2 is equal to u4. So with that we have the first equation. Then again put second equation, I is equal to 2, j equal to 1, and x is equal to 2, y equal to 1. Substitute in the chai equation. What will happen? What will happen over here? I equal to 2, j equal to 1. I equal to 2, j equal to 1. So I equal to 2 means 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 3 comma 1, 2, that is 2 2 plus, sorry, here it is 2 minus 1, so 1 comma 1 comma 1, here it is 2 plus 1 will become 3, 3 comma 1, I is equal to 2, 2 comma 2, and here I is equal to 2, j equal to 1, so 2 comma 0, I equal to 2, j equal to 1. So accordingly we have found it as u of 1 comma 1 plus u3 comma 1, u2 comma 2 plus u2 comma 0 for u2 comma 1 minus of 2 square. Here we have x square plus y square plus 2 into x into y. So x is nothing but 2, 2 square, y is nothing but 1, 1 square plus 2 into 1. Okay, so now we have, what is u of 1 comma 1 here? It is u3. U of 3 comma 1 is equal to 0. U of 2 comma 2 equal to what? U of 2 comma 2 is equal to u2 minus 4u4 is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 4, it becomes 9 minus 9. So putting I is equal to 2, j equal to 2, and x is equal to 2, y equal to 2, we get it as u of 1 comma 2 plus u of 3 comma 2 plus u of 2 comma 3 plus u of 2 comma 1 minus 4 u2 comma 2. So it is minus x square plus y square plus 2 into x into y. So we have the third equation. Next again substitute I equal to 1, j equal to 2. That is x is equal to 1, y equal to 2. Substitute in that equation. Substitute in the star equation. Okay. Substitute star in that equation, we get one other equation. So we have got three or totally 4 equations. So what is the main aim of having this 4 equation? To solve all the 4 unknowns. What are the 4 unknowns? u1, u2, u3 and u4. So first one minus the third one, we get the first one, and minus the third one, we get as 4u2 minus 4u3 is equal to 12. Mark that as fifth equation. Multiply the second equation by 4, we get it as 4u1 minus 16 minus 16 u3 plus 4u4 is equal to minus 16. Once again, here we have that equation. So substitute in, multiply by 4 and then add 2 and 6, we get this equation. And fourth equation in multiply by 4. So this is the second equation that they have taken it here. So after that, 4 into 4 we get as minus 16u1 plus 4u2 plus 4u3 is equal to minus 36. Then add 5 and 8 equation. If we add a fifth and 8th equation, we get minus 16u2. Okay, minus 16u2 plus 8u2 is equal to minus 24. And that fourth equation multiply by 15. For if you multiply by 15, it becomes minus 60u. Over here it becomes 15u2 plus 15u3 equal to 9 into 15 minus 135. And 7 plus 10 we get this equation. 10th and 11th equation, 9 into 2 we get this equation. Minus 32u2 u1 plus 16u2 equal to minus 48. 11 minus 12. So 11th equation, this equation, 9 is this equation. You will get as minus 24 u1 is equal to minus 112. u1 is equal to minus 112 divided by minus 24. Therefore u1 is equal to 4.67. So we have found one value. Now substitute in equation 9. So we get it as 74. Ninth equation is minus 16u1 plus 8u2 is equal to 24. Substitute that. 16 into 4.67 plus 8u2 is equal to minus 24. From that I found out, we have found what is u2. Now substitute u2 in equation 5. So it becomes 25.33 minus 4u2 equal to 12. So we get as minus 4u3 is equal to 12 minus 25.33. Therefore we get as u3. Then put u1 is equal to 4.67 and then u3 equal to 3.33. Substitute in equation 1, we get as u1 is equal to minus 4u3 plus u4, that is equal to minus 4. So substitute that equation, we have found what is u4. So now we have found all the unknowns, that is u1, u2, u3 and u4. So that's the solution. Just substitute it. u1 is equal to 4.67, u2 is equal to 6.33 and u3 equal to 3.33 and u4 is equal to 4.65. So by this way we have found all the solution using the Poisson equation. Thank you guys. Thank you.